Second one also we have done in class 11, hopefully you remember, that is called in, the keyword in. Okay, in is used when you mean to say a value is in a list of values, within a list of values. Fine. Again, say there is a city column here. Okay, there was a city column here in this table. Some of the values were Kolkata, some of the values were Mumbai, some of the values were Delhi, etc. etc. Okay, I wanted to take all the item names which are available in the city Kolkata and Mumbai. Fine. So in that case, we can write select star from item where city in. Okay, city in means city within this list. That list has to come within a pair of brackets. Now, if the values are alphanumeric, these are alphanumeric values, so I will use double quotes. And if they are numeric values, then no need to use double quotes. Just write the values separated by commas. That's it. Okay. We will write coal and Mumbai. That's it. If there were numeric values, I would have written say 100, 200, 300. If the values, when the city value is one of them, then only that particular record will be considered. That is the purpose of in. Okay. Then there is another thing, this also you have done in class 11, between. Between means when we are talking about, say the price, if you write the price, you will understand it better. So it is 10 rupees, say it is 14 rupees, say this is 80 rupees and this is 100 rupees. Fine. So I wanted to mean all the items which are within 10 rupees and 80 rupees. So we will write select star from item where price, okay, where the price between, after between you write the two values separated by the word and, that's it. Okay, price between 10 and say I wrote 80. So it will obviously exclude the value 100. So 10 and 80 when you are writing, remember 10 and 80 are inclusive. I just wanted to mention this point. That is why I told you this keyword. 10 and 80 are inclusive. That means if I write this command, I am going to get this one, I am going to get this one, also I am going to get this one. Between doesn't mean the values between, okay? 10 and 80 are also inclusive, included in this. Okay? And the last one that I will tell you is you can use this keyword null. Okay? How to use the null values? Say imagine in item ID some values are null. Here I give the item value, item ID is 501, 502, but here I gave the value, I did not give any value. Okay, when I did insert into, I skipped the value. So if I skip the value, then what will happen? Automatically the value will be put as null. This one say also I skipped, so here also the value will be null. Now I wanted to display all the records where the item ID value is null. So how we can write it? We can write select star from item where your item ID is null. That is how it is written. Now this word can be written in capital, can be written in small, both the ways it works. Where the field is null, or if you want to mean all the values which are not null, then we will write where item ID is not null. That is, by writing this not, you are negating the condition. Is null, these are not case sensitive. You can write small letters, you can write capital letters, whichever way you prefer, you can write. Fine. And another clause I think you know is called order by. That also we discussed in class 11. Okay. In order by, order by we have just discussed. Group by. Group by, you know how to use it when you mean to say some group of values. Fine. I can give you an example. Say I wanted to mean here all the items which are available in Kolkata. I just wanted to have only those. So here we can write select star from item, okay, group by what? I wanted to have like city wise, fine. So we can write group by city, fine. So what will happen? All the Kolkata things will be put together. Now what? How I want to display? I wanted to display, say, only the things which are available in Kolkata. Okay. So group by city. Okay. Actually, we do not write like this. We use count kind of. We say I wanted to mean that in Kolkata, how many items are there from Kolkata. So you can write select count star. Count star, you remember that it gives you the count of all the records. Select count star and then say I wrote city. So what will happen? We know that it will display two basically columns, count star and city, and underneath basically the results will be displayed. So when we wrote select count star, it is going to give you the count. When you wrote city, it will display the name of the city. Group by city, that means before you take the count, you group by the city. Put the cities as a group. That means all the Kolkata will be put together. Fine? All the Mumbai will be put together, all the Delhi will be put together, and that is how the count will come. So say there are two Kolkata, so you get to see 2 and 4. Fine? 1 Mumbai, so there is only one value, so 1 and Mumbai. That is how the count is going to come. So this is the case where we use group by. Now you know with a group by, if you want to put a condition, then you use the having clause. Okay? So if I want to say that I wanted to see only the city values, okay, where the city and the count basically, where the count is 2 or more than 2, that means the city name has appeared more than twice. In that case, you can say having, because I don't want to see all the cities and the count corresponding count. I want to see the city and the count if the count is 2 or more. So I will write having count star greater than equal to 2. That means only if the count is more than equal to 2 it will show. Now say if Kolkata and Delhi, in these two cases we happen to see it appears twice or more than twice. So only those two cities will come, other cities will not appear. I think this is the quick revision I just wanted to do of what we have done in class 11. Most of you I think can recollect what we have done in class 11. Still I told you small little rules where people might go wrong. Now we will do some SQL commands as per the board questions. 1 or 2 exercise we'll do, and then I will move on to its connectivity with the Python.